Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am April Jean P. Solano, 31 years old. I am married. I am a college graduate and a degree holder. My previous job was a housekeeper. I taking good care of a grandma. I do also cooking, cleaning the house. If you hire me, Ma'am and Sir, I will do my best to fit your qualification, and I am willing to learn new things. I am hardworking, honest, and God-fearing person. I hope that you will treat me as your family, and I will treat you as my own family. Thank you.